There are three very important secrets of living a very healthy life. It is a very secret. I'm going to leave it to you. The secret of living a very healthy life. Number one secret: if you want to live healthy and you want to not just to live the healthy lifestyle, but to stay healthy, number one secret is exercising. Most of the time, what we only hear about when we talk about exercising is about maybe somebody else told us, or we read it in a book, or our doctor tell us that when you exercise, your body releases an endorphin hormone that's going to make you to feel good. But not only that, there are very potential advantage or potential benefit of exercise can do to your life. Exercising can help you, your emotional part of your life, your spiritual part of your life, your physical part of your life, or all around your life. Do you know if you feel bad and you go to the gym and exercise, at the end of the day, you're going to feel good? That's number one secret of exercising. And number two, when you have a bad day, you go to exercise, you're going to feel good. And number